Today marks the beginning of a new journey where you will have the opportunity to impact lives, inspire others, and lead with integrity and passion.
JCI Pilipinas Curamblan, JCI Cabuyao, JCI Calambao Rizal 2024 Board of Directors, do you accept this challenge?
JCI, we are focused in developing the young citizens of our communities. That is our mission. That is our vision. How we do it? Yes, we do have the 4 areas of opportunities. Why is this the main topic of my message tonight? Because I want you to go back to basics.
Madaming batikos, ano mang gawin mo, tama ay mali pa rin sa paningin ng iba. Totoo ang sinabi nila that you cannot please everybody. Then I ask myself again, why am I here? Ano ang purpose ko as a leader? Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, gusto ko meron akong ma-inspire o mabago na tao, isa o dalawa o isang samahan ay napakalaking bagay na po sa akin.
Marami akong nakita, marami akong natutunan. Leadership, project management, to empathy and community engagement. Each year brought its own set of challenges and triumphs. And through it all, I remain steadfast in my commitment to our chapter and its mission. Being part of JCI Calambao Rizal has been a transformative experience. It has given me the opportunity to serve my community, build lasting friendships, and develop skills and extend far beyond our projects. The camaraderie and support I've received from fellow members have been instrumental in my growth. That I am humbled by the trust you have placed in me to lead our chapter.
I have been in JCI for 16 years, and it has been a very good journey for this year. And I am truly proud that as I step out as National President, I have brought JCI Philippines together with you and the entire National Board of JCI Philippines and all the members. In the JCI global community, everybody's looking up to JCI Philippines. Kaya patuloy po nating pagtrabahuan, patuloy po nating pagsikapan na sana ang JCI Philippines ay patuloy na mamayagpag sa larangan ng lahat ng leadership opportunities sa buong mundo ng JCI. In closing, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you. Your dedication, passion, and unwavering support are the driving force behind everything that we do. Together, we are not just writing history, we are shaping the future. Let us continue to lead with courage, serve with compassion, and make a meaningful difference in the world. Mabuhay po kayong lahat, mabuhay ang JCI Philippines, and maraming salamat po.